computer hacked.
Oh shit, here we go again. Now we got one rolling.
Unfortunately, aliens will know who their compatriots are, so you'll be at
Fucking
a bit of a
Chris.
disadvantage,
Yup,
humans.
it's me. Vote me out right now.
You know, it's.
Oh no, I think it's Ian this time.
I think it's gonna be Chris because if
Ian,
it's
hey,
Among
ready.
Us,
It's always Chris and Among Us.
We can't think that. The
No,
same
we
way.
have to think like
We
that.
can't think in the same ways here because this is a different game. Even though this is the same game, but
push that button.
I look like a member from Daft
there's no
Punk.
there's no murdering involved. No, I hit back on accident. Fuck.
no, get back in
Choose
here.
one
I have
of
no
your
voice
desired
captain. Okay.
participants.
Hold on, I'm coming back in. Hold on.
We're gonna put in that damn puppet there.
I just hit
Of course,
pro.
that damn
Oh my
pretty.
god. This.
Well, yeah,
And
I expected Foley to go in.
How many people can play this game? 10?
Opinion.
I don't remember. Maybe 8 or 10.
Okay.
Answer the question on your device.
Wait, am I being questioned? No, I'm not. Okay.
They have 4 hacks total.
And here's what humans
Let's keep track of
saw.
who.
Yeah, I never
declares
saw that
hacks.
number go
I
down.
enjoy graphic
It doesn't.
novels.
That's just a total
So,
hack.
Oh,
let's
okay,
see how they
alright.
responded.
I
Ooh.
enjoy graphic novels.
I watch
Strongly disagree.
shows. I don't
Yeah.
read.
I don't
shit.
enjoy any novels. I don't fucking
You
read.
don't like comic books?
Everyone is.
I
I don't
cannot
read.
honestly tell you the last time I watched. I read a comic
novels
book.
are comic
books. Yes,
I
with you.
tempted to. I
That's
was like,
sus.
nah.
When I was a
Chris
kid,
read-
maybe,
That's
but
why
Chris
I
not
read-
slightly
honestly.
disagree because
Stop.
I don't. Do
I honestly
it, but
don't think I've
would
ever
like
read a comic.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Dylan
Everybody shut
does
up.
say-
Chris read the entire manga of Sweet Home. He's been reading all sorts of
That
comics.
was not a graphic novel. That was a web.
It was, of course, a graphic
I don't know
novel.
why you guys think I'm the alien. I'm the
That was
only
a
one
webcomic,
here that
sir,
doesn't
not a graphic
read.
novel.
Okay,
And
let's
it
go
caught
You
my
just look at the
attention.
pictures. That's what a graphic novel
There's
is.
less
Come on.
than
No, I don't do that either because it's pointless.
He's kept on liners the whole last round.
You still gotta read
So
the
you're
graphic
supposed to
novel.
fuck right now, sir.
You still have to read the fucking novel.
The last graphic novel I read was
You
in
read
the 3rd
shit.
fucking grade, and it was
Was
Gundam.
looking at pictures.
Man, I
Of
miss
course, pick me
Gundam.
If
again.
Gundam is a graphic novel, then Sweet Home is a graphic novel.
No,
You have entered the
Oh,
this was a
Disney.
book. The other one was on a website, and I had to wait week by week for the
Are you
it to come out.
Okay.
Grazie?
Oh, I don't have to draw.
What is that? Poisoning me.
Yeah, like ninja thread just.
How dare you? Let me just put that one there. Let me put there. I'll drink a little bit more before I put it.
I hope you have the antidote.
If they're dawdling
For
what they're doing,
arsenic.
hit the hurry up button.
What just happened?
I watched if you're ever interested in watching, it's only a little over an hour, but it's Justice.
Wait, what the fuck
Justice
just
League
happened?
Doom. It's animated and it's
I've seen it.
it's so good. I
I've
watched
seen
it this
Justice League
morning.
Doom.
It was so good. I liked watching
That
that.
was back in the day. When
It was
I
like
watching all the
2000
animes that came out. But then
Wait, how do I get back? Fuck!
Can
What the
people hurry
fuck?
this shit? Come
Forward.
on.
Press the forward button.
No, that's exactly what an alien would
If you
say.
press the dots at the top.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah,
Thank
I-
fucking
did?
God,
I,
my
I've
fucking
been
phone
on a
went all
little bit of a
weird.
binge watch of DC animated.
And the human
trying to-
I still got
prompt was
the dark. What is it? The,
draw
Paradox.
a
no,
child
not
with
Paradox. I've
pet.
seen that. The Nick got it for me
Do
one
any
year
of
for my
these
birthday.
seem
It
stinky?
was like a dark.
Did you have a cat when you were
Justice
young,
League Dark.
Ian?
Oh, I haven't seen that one. That's one.
What
on
was the
list.
question?
I've always had
It
a
says to
cat.
draw a childhood pet. So
the fuck
I mean,
is
it looks
that?
like a hamster.
Cat, hamster, cat. These are all acceptable.
These all track. Yeah.
Wait, Nick had a hamster?
I've had hamsters, gerbils,
He did
guinea
have a
pigs,
hamster.
you name it.
Okay.
I can vouch for that.
Yeah, I mean,
Alright.
I don't know if Dylan's ever had. I mean, he has
It's
a cat
me and Nick.
now.
Me and Nick are
How
the,
the fuck
are
I've
the
had
aliens.
cats my
Vote
whole
us out
life?
now. Vote me and Nick out now.
I did not vote.
Yeah.
Just
Me and
saying.
Chris are vouching for each other because we live in the same household.
Selected.
Okay.
We're aliens. I'm an alien. Do you not believe me?
I
Look
I
in the
still don't
eyes,
believe
Shadow,
that
I'm
you're
an
not
alien.
Chris. You might be lying to me. You might be lying to me by
I don't
telling
know.
the truth right now.
You might be lying to me. by telling me-
Possibly. Possibly.
His tentacle came out.
He's like, oh no, he caught me.
Oh shit! I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was captain there. That was my bad. I was making it. I was doing a bit.
Schneider has not been tested.
I'm gonna test Schneider.
That's
on
fine.
This one.
I'm a human, so.
And I'm gonna go with
Schneider's
Dylan.
got AIDS.
What'd you
How
say?
many fucking times are you guys gonna test
Put me
me?
in, coach.
Goddamn
Because-
fucking run shit.
Because Dylan.
Initiated.
I need to
Just
know.
sitting back and shm.
Like
Right
Tom
answer
Petty,
to the prompt
like
on
the
your
other
device.
Petty that came before me, I need
Tom
to know.
Petty.
Uncle Tom. You know.
Oh, Uncle Tom. Oh, nice.
I don't know if that's how you spell this, but
That's okay.
Oh,
Are you making me wait?
Because
DMCA.
I'll stand
DMCA.
my ground.
Here is the human prompt. My ideal vacation
Oh, man.
destination.
But I need to know.
Dylan drew the beach.
Do you need to know,
There's gotta
Chris?
be a clue.
Really,
Rochester?
Rochester, Minnesota.
Rochester's your fucking.
Yeah,
That's a
Minnesota.
good answer.
I like to go to Minnesota.
Rochester. Yeah, Rochester.
That's his shit.
Yeah, but that's.
That
It might
motherfucker's-
have been hacked.
I don't know.
Let's face it on that.
Were you
It
hacked,
could have been
Jack?
hacked.
My prom.
It's early.
My prom
I'll
was
give
where
him an
C was.
alien
Yeah, that's.
head,
I don't know if.
but he could have been hacked.
Yeah.
What was your prompt, Jack?
What's your
Next
prompt?
captain, identify.
Ideal
Lucky
vacation
you.
destination.
Lies!
God, that was
Because
a
you were
lie.
hacked or you
I'm
are an
horrible
alien.
at this shit.
He's an alien.
How, can you hack people in this? How does that work?
The aliens,
aliens can hack.
people.
How
See
the
how
fuck do
there's
you do
hacks?
that?
They just go to your name and go hack.
It's on your phone. You probably
It's
got
on their phone. It's an option for them. We don't see it.
Do you see the hack option in here?
Or do we?
Or do you?
Chris.
Or do I?
Truth be told,
Or
I'm
do
Chris.
Do me!
Another Keep your eyes peeled for any out-of-character responses.
I don't understand
Oh, I'm
the
in this.
question.
Nick said easy.
I don't understand the question.
Probably because you're the alien.
Or he got hacked.
And the prompt
Or
for
got
humans
hacked.
was...
I don't
Or
know.
he's the alien.
Or it's a weird question.
Or it's me and
no,
Nick, and we're
no,
both
I got
aliens.
hacked.
No, you're the alien.
I got
Any of
hacked.
these answers seem suspicious.
I did not get hacked,
You
and I
thought
said
you'd make a
strongly
great
disagree.
president then?
No, it asked me
He's
if I
not
was
Ian,
really
a
they
doing
good
it
told
dog.
because
me- Ian,
you strongly agree.
Ian!
Oh, yeah.
Ian!
I'd make a great
Oh,
president.
you
You guys
do?
go fuck
You
yourself.
do? Now I'm gonna
Yeah.
vote for Ian.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just saw all the alien heads. just go,
Any type
You
of
know
agree.
what? Free
Any
weed,
type of agree.
legal weed, that's fine. That's
We're
on
the
you.
clock here, people,
This
so
time
let's
I'm
move
gonna
on.
can-
get
we
voted
can
in now.
You
That's
got a lot of
aliens that
votes,
use the
that's for
hack.
sure.
Next captain, you're on the clock.
Apparently no one on Earth wants free weed.
Free weed for everybody.
Legal weed.
Hurry,
It's coming.
All right, now pick something,
Like
Ian.
me.
hurry.
Oh yeah, hold
He
on.
won't because he's the
I just keep making you
alien.
guys draw shit because it's funny.
All right.
He's an
Now
alien.
pick the people you want to pick.
I need to remember
at
if I'm
least-
a part of this. I need to use the whole canvas instead of a
Let me
little
get through this. Let's meet up.
Oh,
Jesus
Pepper Jack
Christ.
hates drawing.
I know, and everyone fucking knows I
Now
know.
pick submit.
oh.
There you go.
Let's draw.
Yeah, bitch,
Again.
I'm not in there.
So,
We're
let's just,
drawing
while they're
an
drawing,
alien.
Peppa Jack may have been hacked earlier. I was definitely hacked just a minute ago, so they could have used at least 2 hacks by now.
Bro, why would someone
I would
just
agree
hack
with that. I would agree with the
algorithmic
couple
hack?
hacks been used by now.
They could also be using hacks to give themselves the correct prompt.
That can happen as well.
Okay. Didn't know
So-
that. I thought it was more of a hinder to your opponents.
You can use a hack on yourself to give you the correct,
correct
answer.
answer.
It's more of an end game thing. In the
I
end
used
game,
it
who is
quite-
getting the questions wrong?
Self-admission!
Last time when I was the alien.
Well, you do.
Better draw something pretty for me.
Well, I
Here's the
hope
prompt
that this is
humans
the
should have
prompt, or
received.
otherwise I got hacked.
Me too.
Draw a bowl of your favorite
I did
cereal.
it. I'm good.
A bowl of your favorite cereal. What the fuck is this? The only thing that's soup.
Okay.
That's soup.
That means
guys-
that.
Love
I got
that.
hacked. I got hacked. Mine said oatmeal.
That's definitely soup.
But when you read the question, you just said, yeah,
Yeah,
that was
I
the
was
one.
covering for it, but I for real got hacked.
Look,
I was trying to
mine's
balance
life
out, but
cereal.
I forgot. I
I
didn't
don't
like
like
I know
cereal.
hacking works.
my
I
wife.
forgot
Yeah.
what you're thinking.
You know what the
That looks like a dead body in a box instead
No,
of
it's a
life
box
cereal.
of fucking life
We're
cereal.
on the clock here, people,
Wait,
so
what?
let's keep it going.
No, it's not.
They're all suspect. Fuck you
Uh,
all.
I don't know what Dylan drew. It looks like hands holding like rocks.
It's cereal, dog. What are you talking
That
about?
does not look like a bowl. It looks like a
I'm gonna vote
fucking.
for him too. I'm gonna vote for both of
That's
you
a
other
dove
fuckers in
that
here.
just
Oh my
collected
god!
I still
Look
think
at
it's
votes.
I was hacked.
No, cereal isn't fucking hot, dude.
No, it's not. It's that's because that's
Okay, this
oatmeal
cookie
because
isn't
that's the
gonna
prompt I
fix
got
itself
because I got
because
hacked.
it's And the title of captain.
Yeah,
has
you
been
got hacked my
passed.
ass, Chris.
I got
Sure you did.
Who's the
Chris.
captain now?
Has barely
Dylan.
been
I think it's
tested.
Pepper Jack
Is that
and
a good
Dude,
idea?
I fucking
Dylan?
cinnamon life with sugar on it. It's
See, the
my
thing
fucking
is,
shit when I was a kid.
that
Ash
question-
Snyder, he knows.
That question.
He knows.
He drew an actual box of cereal though.
It did.
Yeah,
So
it's
it's
a
not
bowl.
like if it was hacked.
A
wrong,
bowl.
he
What
drew an
happened to
actual
bowl?
box of
There's no
cereal.
bowl.
The other two.
Will you
It's
So
obviously fucked.
suspicious.
It's Pepper Jack.
I don't think it's
I think
Pepper
it's
Jack.
not
I
me.
think it's Dylan and
Yeah,
Chris again.
yeah.
That was a bowl
I
of fucking
agree with
cereal.
this.
This is what
Y'all
I
are
think.
fucked up.
Right
agree with this.
here.
Okay, time to vote.
Y'all are fucked up.
The vote
Alright,
has
Yeah,
to
you,
be-
well, yeah, you fucked up. You
Fuck
fucked
up.
has failed.
No, you fucked
All right,
up.
it failed. All right, I tried.
Someone's smart.
You're
I
stupid.
tried.
Whoever fucking
Alright,
didn't
alright.
vote for that shit, thank you.
Let's just play a few more.
We got 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes. Let's take a deep breath, everybody.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Certain.
We got.
Fuck
you're
the
pretty
shit up.
certain.
Pretty certain.
Yeah, pretty certain it's not you
Like
trying to fuck. You got
90.
5 minutes to prove it's not you.
You gotta
Okay.
forget all the
98%.
stupid shit that's already happened. You're gonna be fucked. We could have took care of it right there.
Jesus fucking Christ. I'm serious. Life fucking.
Like fucking cereal. Sure.
Fuck it all up.
Why you
I'm gonna
throwing
sit
me
back
in
and listen
this?
to sit back and eat more
I ain't
food and
Another me
None
just
of this
chilling,
matters.
hanging out, my
Answer
human
the
self,
question on your
relaxing.
device.
None of them.
Yeah, I'm alright, Schneider. I think Schneider's cool. He dropping bowls like boxes, like fucking Pepper Jack.
Somebody's hacking me because my hurry button keeps disappearing.
Goddamn
An
oatmeal.
attractive stranger winks
This is
at
the
you
prompt
at a
I got.
park. You then
See.
I said yell boo loud.
You yell boo loudly.
Yeah,
Why would you guys
because
do this?
the other choices were blow a kiss and then stand and applaud, and I'm like, I don't
You
want
gotta
any of
make 'em
these,
know
so
you're
I
funny.
guess this one.
You would boo loudly.
I would say that's an
Boo.
acceptable
It's
response.
Chris. It's Chris Pepper Jack. That's
Yeah,
it.
vote me out. You vote me out, everyone loses.
Hold on.
Aliens
Let's do a few
win.
more games and see whose answers come out wrong.
we're on the clock here, people. So let's keep it going.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
I only voted for one person.
Me too.
Next captain identified. Lucky
That's not
you.
possible.
Am I the captain yet?
I'm the captain now.
Alright, we're going to the bioscanner.
File scanner, eh?
You guys are better fucking
Fuck
do
the
this right.
bioscanner do.
Well,
Well, we'll see who's being
I'm gonna put
tortured.
Chris and
Oh,
Schneider
it's
in.
no more.
Alright.
Hey, everyone shut up except for the people that need to
yeah, I
talk.
need to hear.
I hope
Yeah.
you've chosen a team you can trust. Captain, I'm sending
Alright,
you
so the
correct
first
list
one,
now.
there's a squiggly line. It goes down, up, down again with a dot on top of the second arch.
Got it.
Got it, Schneider?
Yeah.
Alright, second one. It looks like an anteater. It's got 2 back legs. There's a dot under its nose and a dot on its back.
Oh, I
Alright.
got it.
You got it,
I think so.
Schneider?
Yeah, I believe so.
Oh, wait, no. I got it. It's a different one. It's a different one.
It looks like an N with an elongate. The second one.
Yup. With the trunk. Yup. With
Yep,
the one
okay.
underneath the trunk.
Yes, the dot
Yep,
underneath
got
the
it.
trunk.
Yep.
Last-
We're good.
Last one is like a spade. It looks like an entrance to the Taj Mahal. It's got 3 dots equally distant, like in each quadrant.
Yeah, I'm Gucci.
I think I got it.
Analysis is online.
Alright, so I'm gonna test Chris.
That's pointless,
'cause
dude.
we-
I just
Any
guessed
other
them all
player, and
right.
you will
Wait,
learn their
yeah,
true
You both
identity.
did.
You may
I
share
need-
this
oh, I can test
information
anyone.
if you want,
Test
or keep it a
anyone.
secret.
I
Okay,
think
okay,
I
okay.
think I'm a little bit
Confirm
more
when you're ready to proceed.
wholesome to Crit here now because he got it right with me and nothing was out of the
Yeah.
ordinary.
I thought I could only test the
Obviously,
two of
you
you.
fucked up.
But I think it's Ian in Nick still.
You don't gotta worry about me, guy.
Pepper Jack is an alien. Oh my
Ha-ha!
god.
We got one. All right, so Pepper Jack is an alien.
Wait, oh, so if you wait,
He
if
tested
he
it.
successfully
If he
do
successfully
this,
does, he can get a test.
oh,
on
okay,
someone.
cool.
But we gotta keep going. We got a minute 50. Come on, hurry.
Come
I
on,
still
hurry.
think Nick's the alien.
We're on the clock
Hurry.
here, people, so let's
No,
keep it
Pepper
going.
Jack, shut the fuck up. Just tested
I
you in
didn't
a
wait. Do I have to
bioscanner.
vote him out or
Not yet. We still gotta figure out the other one.
So we know.
We got a
gotta
minute
figure out
40,
the
but
other
we
one.
know it's definitely Pepper Jack.
Then I think
And
it's
it's
Ian.
probably not.
All I
me
want to say,
doing
Nick,
it.
is if
Herbie.
it's you,
Offline.
Or we got a minute, 30
Anthony,
seconds.
why are you voting me out?
Who's the captain?
Selected.
Just shut up, Pepper Jack.
Pep Jack. Uh
Yeah.
There's
Shit.
less than
Oh,
2
fuck
minutes.
this.
I
You're gonna
can't
sit
press
there.
the button, guys.
We gotta know who the other person is.
Yeah, but Peppa Jack's picking right now.
Put
He's gonna
Ian and
run that
Dylan
clock.
in.
Or not.
He didn't put Dylan in. He wouldn't have put in his alien friend.
What are you doing? What? No,
Wait, is that
doesn't
who I
make sense
guessed
at all.
earlier?
That's 100% not me.
Whom will you
Is that who I
isolate?
guessed
But why would
earlier?
it be me
So
twice in a
Peppa
row?
Jack put
First
in
off?
me.
Peppa Jack and Dylan?
It's Peppa Jack and Dylan.
Yeah.
No, it's Peppa Jack and Korea. It's not.
was
Don't throw me
Ian
out. I'm telling you, you're gonna be
protesting too
fucking
much
up if
earlier?
you throw me out.
Ian
That's what
trusted
everyone
me.
says.
It's
Ian
not
didn't
me.
trust you.
I trust you too, Schneider.
I have to do this. We have a minute
Not
left.
Get in,
me.
lock it
You're
in,
doing
let's
it
go.
wrong. You're voting the wrong person.
Okay.
Last time you fucked us.
Everyone just accept it.
No, don't do it. You're voting the wrong one.
The vote passed.
Oh no.
You fucked up.
You fucked up.
Yeah, we fucked up.
Yeah, we
Yay!
suck at this shit. I hate being the imposter.
Oh, we're so good.
I love being the imposter. I hate having
Dylan
Peppa
is
Jack as a
so
fucking
he's
partner.
just so the same no matter what.
Look at
But
that
you
dance.
can tell
Yeah,
Peppa Jack
sometimes
is
in his
the
voice
worst
there's just a
fucking-
hint of too much like anger, and it's like it's not me, it's not me, and
He'll
it,
do that when he's innocent. He'll go really angry.
yeah.
But
There's just that slight tone. It's so difficult to recognize. I got you though, Dylan.
Are we doing this one again, or what are we doing?
we'll do another one of this.
I like this one. This one
Wait,
was fun.
I was only recording that one. Because I forgot the first.
Why?
Because I didn't press it in time before the other one
What time?
started.
It's 10:30. Okay. I just wondering what the time was.
Yeah, I gotta go to bed sometime also, but I'll post it.
I have terminated your cryo sleep to alert you that a devastating
Also,
virus has
Jackie
been
Chan
uploaded
movies
to
and
my
stuff.
processing
Why
power.
did you write Rochester for that? What was your prompt that made you choose that?
Rochester.
Just like a city near you or something?
right
I was
back.
trying to
I have
like
determined that
plan
two of
ahead
you are
about a
secretly
wrong answer. It
aliens.
was what was
'Cause,
your ideal
Please look at
vacation?
your
I was like,
device
I
and
don't want it to be
confirm your
where it
identity.
is, so I'm gonna say
Your
something
device can
else.
tell you
And
if
it
you're
was
a
still
human
fucked
or
up.
an alien, but not the identities of your
Alright.
fellow players. Unfortunately,
Do we know the ship
So
name of
you'll be
this
at a bit of a
vessel or the name of this
disadvantage,
vessel?
SS Pumperdick.
All right, I am a
Pumperdick.
human on the SS Pumperdick.
It would be you.
As am I.
Come back.
Beer's good.
But it's, my shit's not showing anything.
Ian, ready up.
I'm trying to. My thing isn't showing
Press
anything.
forward.
Hurry up.
Fuck yeah! I know. If it would show something on my screen,
Faster.
dude. Should I like refresh it or would it fuck it up?
You can
You
put
can-
the code back in and you'll
Yeah,
be with us.
yeah. Just all you got to do is if you just back out, back in.
I did the same thing.
My phone's at 26% though.
Alright,
I
is
should
it
be good
gang-
for I should
the
be good for
same-
this
the
game, but
same-
afterwards I would need to plug in.
Mine's a 30.
Okay, alright. I'm
halfway
good.
since
Hold
we
on.
started.
You just gotta
Oh my
confirm.
god.
Just
Alright,
confirm
now
if
we're
you're
good.
the alien. Are you the alien?
Take your
You'll
time,
have
hurry up a little bit,
15
guy.
minutes
No.
before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button.
I'm so glad I
Computer.
pushed the button that last
will be
round.
our
It was like
first
do or die
captain.
basically.
Choose
Oh, I'm in the driver's seat now.
Pumperdick, yep.
Oh, I thought I was captain of the Pumperdickle.
Well, we take turns being
You have
Pumperdickle.
entered the drawing orders.
I don't like
You
that.
made me do it.
I want to be in charge.
We're not a
Good draw.
capital.
Fuck.
We're a commune.
All right. Either way,
Oh. Peppa Jack's just happy he don't have to draw this.
I know. I made you guys draw.
These are all the people who made me draw the last couple of times.
Yep.
You guys want to do the one where you pitch ideas after this?
yeah, we could do that.
Yeah,
I'm down.
that.
I'm down for anything. I mean, I'm drawing on my
If it
fucking
seems
phone.
like
It does
they're
not
taking
look
too
like
long with their
anything
precious art, you can always hit the
near
hurry up
what I
button.
want it to be.
I like the pitching idea one though. That one's fun.
Is that the one I did when I came back last time we played? When it's like you,
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, you gotta
you
design
get
an
a
idea.
problem and you got to create a solution to it.
the deranged table or something. I don't
Yeah,
remember
then
that.
where you didn't quite get it. And you
Didn't
like,
quite get it, but I
you,
still
like, drew
won.
some buildings and you're like, well, I guess the buildings are the problem.
You know, I don't have enough.
Oh
I don't have
my
enough
God.
room for my
Where the
art,
fuck
man.
did that
I need a wall for my canvas. The world's my canvas, man.
I like the one after you got off. We were playing Trivia Murder Party, and I had to do a tattooing against Nick, and he's got the fucking drawing tablet.
Yeah.
And he's like trying to draw like a little devil thing, and he's taking too long. And I like started drawing an emoji, and then
I forgot to
really
submit, I'm
quick
sorry.
turned it into a Ninja
Human
Turtle.
saw was.
And then Zach's like, "That's a
Draw
half
Mount
decent Ninja
Everest.
Turtle," so I'm
Now
voting for
let's see the
that.
results. Do any of these answers
Draw
seem
Mount
suspicious?
Everest.
There's mountains. I drew
Ian,
a little
I'm
too much
sorry, but
cloud.
there's no way that you would draw a Mount Everest with mountains that look like that. The person
Those are
would be at the
mountains.
bottom. I'm voting Ian.
Man,
Ian knows
Nick.
better.
I mean,
Ian knows
Schneider's
better.
right with the tallest in the world. Nick is
Oh, I mean, you gotta
wrong
climb
with the
the
mountain ranges
I
because there's
drew
only
too much
one
fucking snow
mountain
and
there.
dark clouds. you
I just
can't
started
erase.
smoking bombs and not giving a shit.
I think they're all relatively accurate to the question. I mean, yes, Ian may have. I don't
He's
assume
the
it's
most artistic person out of all
right,
of
but
us.
he's
Also, he's
I
using
feel
a
like
phone.
Nick
What
got
was
the
he using a
prompt
phone?
that said, draw a snow blizzard on a mountain, and that's what he did.
yeah. The clouds peer through the mountains, because
I
they're
feel
so
like
high
there's a lot
up.
of tornadoes
Mom
and clouds
piercing the
and
mountains.
I feel
Listen.
like that there should
Listen.
only be
I
one mountain either
I
way.
figured I'd show a person climbing a mountain.
At first I thought you hung somebody.
looks like
Fair.
Ian, how does it look like someone
Hey.
killing
I'm gonna
themselves
give
off
everyone
a
a
mountain?
vote.
Like
I'm a
hanging
human.
themselves with
That's
a
no
mountain.
sense of humor
don't
poking
give a
through.
Shit.
I don't know. I'm not consistent.
Because I'm a human.
Oh,
And as long
who
as
got
I
here?
survive,
Oh, who am I gonna
that's
pick?
all that
What am I
matters.
gonna do?
We're not do they?
Listen
The
here.
lightning pod.
You listen near
And we will do
over there somewhere, not close to me
These three.
particularly.
All right, hurry up.
Ah,
Yeah,
shit.
for real.
Ah, shit.
All right, we are at
Right,
the
let's
11-minute
finish
mark.
Yeah, right.
11 and a half, I should say, to be more accurate.
Write an answer to the prompt.
Those gummies
on
are
the
fucking
device.
good.
just in case you didn't
shit.
notice the big ticker in the corner.
Something happened with my game. Luckily, I'm not
The
in a
what
game.
in the corner?
It goes good with my favorite meal. That's all I'm saying.
Is that the
It's
chicken
gonna-
sandwich?
I guarantee you, it's one
Nope.
of the three people that are here.
You can guess the rest of that last word.
Humans were given this prompt.
Oh man, let's see. Who could it
My
be?
favorite vegetable
I already know who the
is...
fuck it is.
Do any of these
That's
answers seem
Asparagus,
suspicious?
broccoli.
Asparagus.
They're all
really, Jack?
vegetables.
Yeah,
Really,
I-
Nick? Broccoli?
Yeah,
I've never
Nick like
seen you eat
broccoli.
broccoli
No,
one
I mean-
time.
Broccoli is
Yeah.
the only vegetable that really comes in Chinese food.
That is fair.
You're no.
That is
no.
true.
Well, carrots
When
do
do
too.
you have oven
That's
baked
stupid as
asparagus
fuck.
that much?
Carrots
It
can
was
fuck
with-
off.
Oh, he
I mean,
talks about it all the
Kurt, I
time,
do
dude.
believe because he does love
Meatloaf,
pickles.
mashed
I
potatoes,
hate
and
asparagus, and he
is
loves
so
it, so we
fucking good.
battle him.
Dude,
Asparagus is
I
delicious.
love, especially
Alright,
with the
I'm
garlic
with
sea
Pepper
salt.
Jack. I'm
Dude,
leaving
no,
Pepper Jack
I'm going with
now.
Nick right now.
I'm definitely think it's Nick
I
because
love
broccoli,
What
just
do you
because it
know?
only comes
Broccoli's
from Chinese
pretty
food. That's your
Because, yeah,
favorite
I know
one.
you like Chinese food, but what do you get?
Yeah, but you
Sesame
get
chicken
one
where it's
piece
got
of
two
broccoli
pieces?
in Chinese
Yeah,
food.
it's like
Maybe
Yeah,
two.
exactly.
You
That
don't
comes
talk
from
about
Chinese food.
Like, I
It's
get
not
beef
the
and
only
broccoli,
reason I like broccoli,
so-
alright? You can steam broccoli.
Steam
you can
broccoli?
fucking fry broccoli.
Steam some broccoli.
Yeah,
Broccoli and cheese soup.
Once more.
Yeah, but
Like,
you've never done that one time.
Bullshit.
You have never been tested, Dylan.
Bullshit.
I'm not gonna take
You're
this
right.
from
I've
someone
never
who's
been tested. You're 100% right.
You should go get tested.
Quarters.
I'd like to think if I was, I'd pass.
I'm really starting to need pitching.
All right, Dylan.
Never had to DMCA.
You got about 10 seconds. You're good for 10 seconds.
No, I don't trust that anymore. I
Schneider,
don't
you
trust that
good?
anymore.
You good, Schneider?
Because
You
I
good, Schneider?
did 10 seconds and they still got me.
Who's trying? What do you mean?
Schneider wouldn't lie to me. He good, right?
Yeah, I'm always
You
good, dude. I'm the human. I'm
Alright,
always
alright,
human.
alright.
Fuck that. It's probably Schneider.
Nah.
It's probably
See,
Nick
it's
and
fucking
Schneider.
No,
Who's
no.
not-
Ian and I have
It's
this.
not me.
Ian and I have this
Well,
like
Ian
this
and I,
hive mind
we
that's
got
above
this
everyone
bond.
else's. You know.
Bitch, we all tapped into that hive mind. Don't act like it's your hive mind. That's our hive mind. We all in on
Ian
that
hits
hive
hard.
mind.
Only in-
That's the whole point
shit.
of a fucking
bad.
hive
Time's up
mind.
for me.
You can have personal
you
hive
fucked
minds
up, Ian.
between one individual and the other.
What happened? Oh, Jesus.
Damn it!
You fucked
we-
up,
do we wanna
Ian,
buy a
but
banner?
I'm glad
Is
'cause I
that
didn't have to
Dylan
fucking
saying
draw.
that we fucked up, or I fucked up?
You did fuck up. You didn't hit start. You fucked
That's the
up.
first vegetable that came to mind too. I was like,
Alright.
fucking good.
Asparagus.
Alright.
Asparagus
That doesn't
do
make
sound-
me think
do
that you
sound good
that
now,
you're an
I would
alien
say.
then.
I'm
Well,
not, but that's
since I
cool.
made some
Yeah,
asparagus.
If you
It's not
pepper
Pepper Jack. I swear. That a
I
vegetable
don't-
question?
yeah,
All
I
right,
don't-
everyone, shut up.
Captain,
Okay.
I'm
All
sending
right,
you
Dylan.
all right, be wrong,
Alright.
Dylan.
Shut up. Shut up. The symbols are all right. So it looks like a person with like an upside down U as a mouth. There's 2 dots as the eyes and a dot in the middle of the mouth.
Wait, what?
Upside down the tub.
So there's an
2
upside
everywhere.
down U with a Y on top of it. There's 2 dots, one on either side of the Y,
Got
and
it.
one in the middle of the U.
Feces.
You got it,
Okay.
Jack? The second one looks like a man running very fast. He's got 2 lines behind him.
Panic.
Got it.
Got it.
The third one, okay, this is gonna be weird. So there's 2 dots in the middle, a line on top, but there's a weird curvy line that separates the dots from the
Is
line.
it sexy though?
It's a little sexy.
Wait, say that again?
It's curvy, so there's a line that goes up and curves
Shut up!
above 2 dots in the middle. 2 dots in the middle, 1 line on top, curved line that separates the dots from the line.
I'm hoping
It
that's
does-
what you're talking about.
I think though.
It does look like a curvy
Is it
body.
thick though? Is it
A
thick?
little bit. You got it,
Okay.
Dylan?
No.
Okay.
I picked the one
Let
that
me
I was
try-
talking about the other last
Let me
night.
try to shut up. Let me try to describe it again. There's 2 dots in the middle. It looks like it surrounds the dots. There's 2 little like
let's
legs,
hurry this
like
shit
someone
up.
holding their piss, and then they're leaking little dots out there.
Hey, hurry up, Nick.
What?
was on me?
They got their knees.
Okay, I think I got it.
They got their knees together.
I didn't do much.
Oh, I picked the wrong fucking one.
Oh.
No, you passed.
No, we
Oh,
didn't.
weird.
It's online.
You guys
We
did
did
it.
I told you I'm not the fucking. See,
Alright,
it's gotta
fine.
be Ian then. I told you it was Ian. I said it was Ian in the beginning.
I completely believe
You would have said the knees together when I would have got it
So it's
right,
gotta
but
be Ian and
Only saw it
Schneider.
that
It's
way.
not
I
me.
mean,
It's definitely not me.
It's gotta be
Test
Ian and
Ian?
Schneider
You want me to
unless
test Ian?
one of the
Why-
aliens
I'll
just
fucking-
did
I
it
don't
right
give a
on
fuck.
purpose.
All right, let's see.
Who's captain right now, Nick?
Listen, look.
Yeah,
Now I
Ian
process.
is. Hold on.
I'm not gonna lie.
Ian
it
is
was
human.
fun watching all
What
of
the
you
fuck?
act stupid.
All right. Unless
That's not
Nick
Ian.
is an
Unless
alien
Nick and
and
Ian is too.
Ian is an alien, and Nick did it right on purpose.
What do you think, Schneider?
I don't know. No.
Well, I
That
fucking
might
told
be
you
another
guys.
scenario that I have to keep in
We're on
play.
the clock here.
The only thing is,
Nothing was revealed
Oh my
there.
God.
nothing was, but
Hurry!
What was
we can't
revealed is
forget
Ian's
about
so
Chris
fine.
here.
Why
I'm
did
not
you do
fucking-
anything?
Just in case you've been hacking to help your buddy Dylan.
Oh,
it's not me for the 3 times in a row.
I've been sitting here backing Pepperjack, who is most certainly innocent.
Thank you.
Pepperjack is innocent, for sure.
The investigation is up to you.
Man.
And the title of captain.
Just
You
has
should have
because of the love
scammed
of
me.
his
That way I
parents.
wouldn't fucking
It's
have to
so
sit
good.
here and defend
It's so
myself.
good.
Garlic sea salt, dude. That's
Deliberation
on
deck.
Garlic sea salt. That
All right,
sounds
so
great.
we definitely want Schneider.
Garlic
not
sea
me.
salt?
Totally
On the
human.
asparagus, man.
Garlic sea
And
salt, man.
Pepperjack, I'm just throwing you in there because
Asparagus.
I know you're innocent.
Okay.
Our first visit to the
Yes.
deliberation deck.
I am.
You guys got to be out of hacks by now, right?
Answer the
Yeah,
question
yeah.
on your device.
Well, one's super extreme.
Not
One I
necessarily.
want- I want him to be. I want him.
I saved him till near the
I
end.
want it to be
Yeah, I know.
in trouble, but I don't need him like
I don't need it.
killed.
Yeah, I don't need the. Yeah.
We're not evil.
I'll explain
Wow.
myself.
He
Wrap
doesn't
it
know
up,
what you're
B.
talking
It's a
about.
human
He doesn't
form.
know what you're talking about.
A man runs a stop sign because he thinks traffic laws are stupid.
Yeah.
he
Fuck
should
you,
be.
dude.
and go.
Celebrated,
All
Nick.
right,
I didn't
Nick.
think he should be put in
Nick
jail.
is
He
one
should
of
be
them.
written a
Nick,
ticket,
who did he-
but
who
he
did we
shouldn't
say
be.
it was
the
Nick and
the choices
Dylan?
weren't good.
I was thinking
like
Nick
Jack
and
was
Schneider.
saying, the choices weren't good. He shouldn't be
It's not
celebrated.
me.
He shouldn't
Celebrate.
be in jail.
It's not me.
Just
Look
write
at
him a
him
I'm a
ticket.
human.
Look at him smiling. He's not. It's not me.
Well, celebrated
not
isn't
me.
writing a ticket.
Celebrated
I know,
is
but like,
means
they're writing a ticket.
Celebrated
It wasn't
means
in-
you get a parade, you know, after you.
Just because of how many.
Yeah, like you fucked up.
Unless
kid.
somebody
Alright, well,
hacked.
I still had the right.
I still think it's
it could have
Nick
been
and Schneider.
celebrated.
It's not me. I
in jail or
swear
executed.
to
I'm not gonna execute the
the
guy.
alien
All right,
that's
so
running this
Ian,
ship.
I know it's not you,
It's not me.
but you have to know it's not me.
I'm the captain now.
well-
Fuck.
Welcome to the extraction room. Since you were the one to push the
Yeah.
button,
Hey, here we go.
whom will you isolate?
Here we go.
Since this
Oh,
is our
Cree
first
with the
time
button
here,
pushing.
Dude, it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay.
definitely not
no
me.
non-isolated members shall
You know
vote.
what?
You vote this, you lose. Just
Or is
saying.
it Chris again and he's trying to get us to throw the wrong people out?
Nick, listen.
My gut.
Listen,
I am not. My gut's been right the last
I love
two.
you. I said
That I
love
haven't
you.
been an alien.
Listen, Nick is the alien, but I am not. I promise
The
you.
vote passed.
I am not either.
You're both the alien.
Y'all
Fools.
fucked up.
You're fools.
Y'all fucked up.
Fools.
Can you only do 2 at a time?
Alien.
No,
no!
you fucked up.
Shut up,
Did I-
I'm sorry.
He's gotta be both at the same time.
No, it's Ian!
No!
That's
Alien
what I said.
bitches!
And you
Fucking
threw me
alien
onto the
dick!
ship
How
just
does
like
make
that.
sense?
Fucking nerds!
I was just seeing if you would test yourself for me accusing you, and you
lied
passed.
to you.
And I knew it was
Yeah,
gonna be
it said that
Ian
He wasn't the alien.
and
Suck
Nick.
all the space cash.
I did.
And I would call
What
up
hurts
the
at first?
phone.
You'll learn to get used to it. It's fine.
It said he wasn't the alien. That doesn't make any
I'm
sense.
an alien. I would, of course,
Oh,
I would.
that was
I'm
say
fun.
mad at myself because I
Yeah,
said it was
I had
Ian.
to play me a little.
I love
Ian
that.
could draw Mount Everest. and I'm mad
It's
at
a
myself.
Machiavellian shit right there. I'm sorry. I want to have to do it, but I did it.